Namaste, good afternoon, friends. Friends come first time on my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So, friends, today we are talking about TNGA 160408 inserts. So, friends, in this box we have two insert. One is TNG 60 degree and second is 80-degree insert. So, friends, this insert is used in generally CNC turning machines. So, a CNC to access machine or VTL machine, vertical turning lathe. So, you see this insert. The insert has 3 point, 1, 2, and 3 points. So look at this insert. Uh, the insert is made from CBN, carbide boron nitride. So let's see. So friends, the capacity of this insert is 50 more pieces from other than insert. Yeah. So today in the our company is the trial of this insert is morning to evening shifts. Let's see. The insert has one or two ends. So the points of insert, the cutting edge of insert is very effective and very attractive. The strength of this insert is 50% more than from other insert. So, so friends, the trial of this insert is very effective, and as we can say, this insert is a very different from other carbide insert. The insert name is Tunglo insert. So I prefer you to use this insert and this quality. Let's see, 3QP TNGA 331. Uh, yeah, this two type of insert, the cost of insert is approximate 25,000 to 3,000. So friends, I wish this video is very helpful for you. So please subscribe my channel, like. Thank you.